Toxins by Charlotte Williamson. A toxin is an antigenic poison or venom of plant or animal origin, especially one produced by or derived from microorganisms and causing disease when present at low concentration in the body. Toxic substances can be poisonous and can cause major health effects in the body. There are 3 routes of exposure. The first is inhalation. Inhalation is the major route of entry, and for most chemicals, this would be in the form of vapors, gases, mists, or particulates. The next route of exposure is ingestion. Ingestion is when chemicals that inadvertently get into the mouth and are swallowed do not generally harm the gastrointestinal tract itself, unless they are irritating or corrosive. The final route of exposure is direct contact. This is when your skin makes contact to a chemical, and usually this will cause effects like redness or dermatitis. In more severe cases, there can be destruction of skin tissue or other debilitating conditions. Toxins from bacteria, fungi, algae, and plants are some of the most deadly chemicals known and represent an ongoing public health threat. Toxins from bacteria are the anthrax lethal toxin, botulinum toxin, staphylococcal enterotoxin B, and pertussis toxin. Anthrax lethal toxin is produced by Bacillus anthracus. The anthrax toxin proteins, including anthrax lethal factors, work together to disrupt a cell's defense system. The botulinum toxin is one of the most poisonous substances known. It causes botulism, which is a severe muscle-paralyzing disease. This disease affects about 200 people in the United States each year. The pertussis toxin is produced by the Bordetella pertussis bacteria, and this is most known for causing whooping cough. The staphylococcal enterotoxin B is the toxin most associated with food poisoning. So if you thought you had food poisoning because of some bad Chinese food, it's most likely actually caused by the SEB toxin. Toxins from fungi and algae are aflatoxin, saxitoxin, and neosaxitoxin, and amanitin. Aflatoxins are produced by many species of the fungus Aspergillus, which commonly contaminates crops during production, harvest, storage, or processing. At high doses and over long periods of time, aflatoxin is known to cause acute and chronic liver injury and cause liver cancer. Saxitoxin and neosaxitoxin are produced by several species of marine and freshwater algae and blue-green algae. When these organisms are present in high concentrations, the toxins may build up, which will cause paralytic shellfish poisoning. This is a severe form of poisoning causing paralysis and death if left untreated. Amanitin toxins are produced by the poisonous deathcap mushroom. Health effects may include liver and kidney failure and even death. Toxins from plants that I will be talking about are abrin and the toxin ricin. Abrin is found in the seeds of the rosemary pea. It is one of the most poisonous plant toxins. Ricin is a poison found in castor beans. Each year, tons of castor beans are grown to produce castor oil. Ricin and abrin work by entering human cells and preventing the cells from making the proteins they need. Without the proteins, the cells will die. This is harmful to the whole body and may cause death. Now it is time to talk about the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention. The CDC has developed specific and sensitive methods to help diagnose, treat, and prevent diseases caused by toxins. CDC's toxin methods are the most rapid tests available, allowing for definitive answers within hours of receiving the samples. An equipped laboratory can measure hundreds or even thousands of samples each day. Clinicians can use these methods to track the success of the treatment by looking at the decrease of toxins in the body. The ability to characterize toxins allows scientists to confirm the likeliness of a common source of a toxin. The Division of Laboratory Sciences has advanced techniques that allow scientists to deliver results rapidly, analyze more samples, quantify toxins to track the course of infection, and characterize various toxin forms and subtypes.